Hello and welcome to the Luxury Hybrid channel. I'm going to share with you a few things that I picked up from Henri Bendel, and it wasn't intended to be a haul. It just started off as a few gifts that I picked up. My mom wasn't feeling well, and so I felt bad that she was so cooped up, and I had started to do this video while I was in California, but time just started to get away from me and I didn't have a chance to finish the unboxings over there. So when I came back home, I found out that I had a couple of parcels that came in the mail. One of them being this amazing, gorgeous sweater. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And it's made by a company called JYY London. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. The next item that I came home to was a pair of these beautiful earrings. They took a really long time to get to me. This is the name of the company. They are called Mimi London. And the kind of earrings that I picked up, they are these ear crawlers, and they are in the shape of stars. So the larger of the star goes into the hole of your ear, and then the rest of the stars crawl up along your earlobe. So I guess it would kind of, it can give you an idea, it would crawl up this way. I'll definitely insert a picture of what they look like on. They're a beautiful rose gold color, and they have these beautiful crystals on the inside. I'd ordered them so long ago that I really couldn't tell you if these are Swarovski crystals or if they are just rhinestone crystals, but I will try to find out for you if I can. So now getting to the Henri Bendel purchases, I'm going to insert a clip that I started while I was visiting my mom. Here is just a little wee bit of a Henri Bendel haul. I'm here in California right now. My mom is not feeling well. She's taking a nap. She felt bad for me because I was in the house and she wasn't. She just felt like I was stuck in the house. She was like, I'm gonna take a nap. Why don't you just go out for some lunch? And so what I did was I took a little detour to the mall and I went into Henri Bendel and I got her a couple things over here to hopefully lighten her mood. Hopefully make her, I mean, it's not gonna make her feel better, but you know, make her happy. And then in this bag, I got some stuff for myself. So it's just a tiny little Henri Bendel haul I'll be sharing with you guys. I'm going to let her wake up and then open this first before I show you everything that I got. Okay, I will see you in a little bit. When I walked into Henri Bendel, I noticed that they had these candles, these travel candles on sale. So the one that I kept for myself is the fragrance Beach. And it really, oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells like the beach. I picked up the lemon for my mom, and I also picked up the lavender because I know that she likes to burn those sort of fragrances in her business. Then the next thing that I picked up, once I saw it for her, I immediately knew I wanted one for myself. I can for sure tell you that this next purchase was inspired by Lady B because she did an unboxing of a beautiful serving tray that was illustrated by the artist. I think her name is Megan Hess. And so I picked up one for my mom and I picked up one for myself in this box here. It is a very beautiful calendar book, or appointment book rather, for 2018. I just love the illustration on this book. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The pages are foiled gold leafing. The front of the book has this very nice illustration, almost like, I don't know, there's something nostalgic, a nostalgic cartoon style to it. You could see here. And then the next pages have a bit of table of contents letting you know where you can find certain sections because they're a month at a view, week at a view, 4 months at a view. There's a travel information calendar. There are maps on the back of the book. And then when you get into it, you have the weeks. I'll try to do a better close-up. For example, you keep a nice little list here of birthdays and anniversaries. I'm just gonna go through some random pages here. International weather, common phrases. There's even a log in here that you can keep for expenses and restaurant expenses and things of that nature. Not that I would need one personally because I don't really have a personal business, but this will come in handy for my mother. The next thing that I picked up for myself, this is a set of 3. It's a ring set. And I got the 7, but I think I'm going to exchange it for the 8 because they don't fit very well. If I put them on at the same time, it's a very snug fit. And it just feels a little tight right up at the knuckle here. If I wear them one at a time, and you can see how hard it is to take them off, they fit just fine one at a time. And then I could probably stack 2 on the other arm. I specifically chose these colors because I love how the silver and the gold combination looks, because it just allows me to help mix my metals a lot better. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to exchange it for a larger size though, because it's really not that comfortable. But this is such a beautiful ring set, and I highly recommend it to anybody who likes mixing their metals. And then the last thing that I picked up were a pair of these sunglasses. When I tried them on, I fell in love with them. I think I did a poll on Instagram, and 100% of you who voted in the poll really liked the glasses. I'll do a close-up for you. So here you can see it's got Henri Bendel engraved, and then it's got these accent screws on either side. It's got this gorgeous old Hollywood cat eye look to it. Well, I don't know if it's old Hollywood. Is this considered old Hollywood? Not really, right? Modern day Hollywood. But yeah, it's just, oh, I absolutely love it. And I love the way it sits on the bridge of my nose without adding too much pressure onto my cheeks. It doesn't leave that sunglass impression, but I love these sunglasses so much. And I believe Purse Diva has a pair too, so I'm twinning with that lovely lady. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I invite you to join me on all my socials. That's at The Luxury Hybrid on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And you can always join the party by clicking subscribe. Remember to smile always, and I will see you guys in the next video.